Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Preston. This is our math lesson for Tuesday, April 28th. Today we will be doing addition and subtraction with number paths. The assignment today is lesson 37 problem set. For this lesson today, you will need your composition book, a pencil, and your lesson 37 problem set. So before we begin, we're going to go in and do our number practice. So please open your composition book to your number practice page. And under the last entry, you will do our date for today, which is 4-28-20 for April 28th, 2020. So before we begin writing them, we're going to practice saying our numbers 0 through 20. So go ahead with me, and we're going to stand up for this one, and we're going to do 20 jumping jacks as we say our numbers today. So stand up wherever you are, and we're going to take a break at 10 and then go to 20. So get ready for your jumping jacks. You ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, take a little break. Go on from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, great job. Take a seat. Awesome. So now we're going to hop into our math lesson for today. So we're going to go over to our number path. Okay, so this is our number path. Raise your hand, do a little woo if you remember using a number path in school. This is our number path. The number path goes from 1 all the way to 10, and it is a path from 1 to 10. We will be using this to add and to subtract today to help us put our numbers into our number sentence too. Okay, so we're going to start with addition. I am going to start with 3 apples. I have 1, 2, 3 apples. I am going to add 2 more apples to my bunch. But before that, I want to make sure I know where we are at in my number path. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a circle around the 3 because I started out with 3 apples. Okay, so I have 3 apples. I'm going to add 2 apples to my bunch. So I'm going to bring up 2 apples. 1, 2. So in my number path, what do you think I need to do to figure out how many apples I have altogether? Good. You might have said you count up your apples up here, but in your number path, you can add up 2 more. So you will go 2 spots to the right. Remember, this way is the right, and this way is your left. This is your right, and this is your left. So because I added 2 apples up here, you will go 2 spots to the left. So go ahead and count with me as we go 2 spots to the left, or to the right, sorry. 1, 2. So we went 2 spots to the right because we are adding. We started at 3 apples and we added 2 apples to our bunch. So we added 1, 2. So what number did we go to? We have 5 apples altogether, and we can check that by counting our apples up here. So go ahead and count with me how many apples we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 3 apples. I added 2 apples to my bunch, and that made I had 5 apples altogether. So this is how we did use our number path for addition. So let's go ahead and put our numbers into our number sentence next. Okay, so we are doing addition here. So let's add this into a little plus sign. Okay, so please tell me what number I am going to put right here. 3. Great job. I have 3 because I started out with 3 apples in my bunch. All right, plus what number goes right here? 2. Great job because I added 2 more apples into my bunch. And then equals what number? 5. And we know that because in our number path, we jumped 1, 2 spots. And that took us to the number 5. So we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Please say that with me. 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, great job, guys. We're going to do a subtraction problem now so that you can see how we use our number path for subtraction. Okay, so for addition, we knew we went to the right when we added. This time, when we subtract, you will go to the left. So you will go this way. So that means, what number do you think we need to circle first? Our total. Great, you circle our total because remember in subtraction, we always take away from our total. Remember subtraction, you're always taking away. All right, so we're going to start with 7 apples. Please go ahead and count with me to make sure that we have 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 apples. So I am going to go ahead and circle the number 7 because I have a total of 7 apples. Okay, so I am going to give away 4 of my apples to friends. So that means I am going to take away 4 apples from my bunch. So count with me as I take those away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took away 4 apples. So what do you think that means next? What should I do next in my number path? Great, I should go to the left 4 spots. So I'm going to jump back 4 spots. Okay, so I'm going to start at my 7. You're going to jump 4 spots. Please count with me to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I jumped 4 spots. And that took me to what number? The number 3. That should mean that I have 3 apples left. So let's go back up here and make sure that I only have 3 apples left. Count with me the number of apples I have left. 1, 2, 3. Were we right? Yes, we were. Good. So we started at 7. That was the total number of apples. I took 4 apples away to give to my friends. So I jumped back 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. And that took me to the number 3. And that showed that we had 3 apples left. So when we do subtraction, we go to the left. When we do addition, we go to the right. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this into our number sentence. All right, you know in subtraction, what number always goes here? Good, our total. And what is our total in this problem? The number 7. We started with 7 apples, and our number 7 is right here. 7, take away. What number did we take away? We took 4 apples away. So 7, take away 4, or 7 minus 4. And what did that leave us with? How many apples did we have left? Good, we had 3 apples left. So we had 7 minus 4 equals 3. Please say that with me. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Also, 7 take away 4 is 3. All right, great job, guys. So we learned how to do addition and subtraction on our number path. Remember addition? You start with one of the parts and then you add up from that part. So you will go to the right to get to your total. Subtraction, you always start with your total and you will go back to the left and take away to get to one of your parts. All right, great job. We are going to hop on over to our problem set for today. And we are going to do a problem together. Okay. So we will do this in another video. Hop on over to the next video and we will do our problem set number 37.